Welcome to Blackbird Training Centre, where we offer international and in-house training programs worldwide. Why Blackbird? We care. We understand your needs and exceed your expectations. We appreciate your culture. Our courses can be provided in English, French, Russian and Arabic. Our expert trainers have got various professional backgrounds. That's why we can cover any topic of your own need. 20 training categories, 120 trainers, 40 cities in the UK, USA, Europe, Asia, Africa and the Middle East. We serve you from London, Dubai, Istanbul and Riyadh. Wherever you go, we make you feel like home. We stay tuned with your learning journey. We're happy to listen and respond to your needs. Blackbird offers opportunities to learn, to network and to rise. Training starts now with Blackbird Training Centre, your UK training partner.